This spacious, elegant home in southern Puglia is just a few kilometers from the sea and the famous seaside town of Santa Cesarea Terme. We absolutely love the high star vault ceilings and the antique flooring, as well as the panoramic roof terrace and outdoor patio area. This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom property also has a 70 square metre basement cellar, which could quite easily be transformed into additional sleeping or living space. It's located in the village of Cerfignano, which is within 20 kilometres of several beautiful beaches and seaside villages on the Adriatic coast. It's also about 100 kilometres from Brindisi Airport. This 170 square metre house has both heating and air conditioning and is in move-in ready condition. It's on the market for an unbelievable €99,000. As always, if you'd like more information about this home, a link to the Realtor's original listing can be found in the video notes below.